Welcome to our discussion on the formation of our solar system. The journey began 4.6 billion years ago, when a massive cloud of gas and dust, known as a nebula, began to collapse under its own gravity. As the nebula contracted, it started to spin and flatten into a disk, with the densest part at the center forming the protostar. Over time, dust particles in the disk clump together to form planetesimals, which eventually collide and grow into full-size planets. Meanwhile, the protostar continued to accumulate mass and undergo nuclear fusion, eventually becoming a fully formed star. As the star began to age and heat up, it began to expand and spin, pulling in the surrounding gas and dust. This process is known as stellar wind, which eventually cleared a path for an orbiting planet to form. The now existing planets, including our own Earth, were born from the remains of the nebula. In summary, the formation of our solar system began with a massive cloud of gas and dust, which collapsed and formed the protostar. As the star formed and aged, it pulled in the surrounding material, creating the planets and enabling life as we know it. The Sun and the planets formed together 4.6 billion years ago from a cloud of gas and dust called the solar nebula. A shock wave from a nearby supernova explosion probably initiated the collapse of the solar nebula. The Sun formed in the center, and the planets formed in a thin disk orbiting around it.